Composio just shipped a CLI that connects your AI agent to over 1,000 apps securely from your terminal. Works with Claude, Codex, Gemini, Cursor, every major coding agent. And the best part? It runs fully local on your machine. Let's break it down. Here's the problem. Your AI agent is smart, but it can't actually do anything without access to your tools. Gmail, Slack, Notion, GitHub, Linear, Sentry, the list goes on. Every integration means OAuth flows, API keys, permission scopes, token refreshes. It's a mess. Composio's CLI fixes this in one command. Install it, log in, connect your apps, and your agent can now search, read, and execute across all of them. No SDK wrappers, no manual auth debugging, no token management. Composio builds 4 things really well. First, smart tools. Your agent doesn't get a giant list of every API endpoint. It resolves the right tools by intent, so it only loads what it actually needs for the task at hand. Second, tools that learn. Millions of real agent calls drive accuracy improvements. Your tools get sharper every day based on actual usage patterns. Third, fully managed OAuth. Composio handles the entire auth lifecycle. The agent triggers auth inline when it needs it, not before. Scoped permissions that tighten as you go. Fourth, dynamic sandboxes. Run code safely in isolated environments with parallel execution. Your agent can spin up Python sandboxes, execute code, and manage multiple tasks simultaneously without touching your local machine.
Every business in the world has to deal with customer issues through email. Here we've got Marcus, who was double charged on his credit card, and we have Sarah, who's unable to log into her account. I want my OpenClaw to read these emails, check my support FAQ on Notion, and then I wanted to send an email and log the issue on Slack for our team. Let me show you how to set this up with the Composio CLI. First, I'll copy the CLI installation command, and I'll paste that into my terminal. Once that's finished, I'll run Composio login in the terminal, and then we can start OpenClaw. First, I'll copy and I'll paste the CLI docs from Composio. The CLI is installed. Please connect my Gmail, Slack, and Notion. This creates these 3 secure OAuth links so I can connect my tools. Now that I've connected these 3 apps, let's see if OpenClaw can fetch the customer support emails I have sitting in Gmail, my customer support channel on Slack, and a page I have on Notion. It used the Composio CLI to fetch customer emails from Marcus and Sarah. Then it found our customer support channel, and it found the customer support FAQ that has the key policies around password resetting and refunds. And this is the workflow I want to build in OpenClaw. I wanted to read my emails, reply as per the SOP on Notion, and then I wanted to reply if appropriate and log the issue on Slack so our team can follow up with them. So I'll explain that to OpenClaw and see if it can do it. And we can see it replies to Marcus with the appropriate billing category, and it escalates it to our team appropriately. And then it deals with Sarah, who was locked out of her account. It correctly labels her as an account access issue and sends a reply through Gmail. So it looks like Marcus was appropriately replied to. And we've also got Sarah, who was replied to through email. Then in our customer support channel, we can see that it successfully logged Marcus and Sarah's issues for the team. Now that we've run the workflow, let's ask OpenClaw to clean it up and run it daily at 9 a.m. So OpenClaw writes the clean workflow file and then uses the cron tool to schedule it. And we can verify this in the cron jobs tab. And we can see that customer support daily workflow is now scheduled. So in just a couple prompts, we've built our first OpenClaw automation that runs every day at 9 a.m., already connected securely to our tools using Composio's CLI. And this is just the start. With the Composio CLI, you can add and remove tools that you actually use in your business. Maybe instead of Slack, you want to create tickets on Linear. And maybe you want to connect this to other tools like coding agents to fix source code in your GitHub. Check out the links below to install the Composio CLI on your OpenClaw today.
The CLI itself is clean. Install with curl, login, and you're set. Composio Search finds the right tools by intent. Composio Execute runs them with validation and connection checks built in. Composio Run handles multi-step workflows. And Composio Link connects new apps on demand. Over 1,000 integrations, Gmail, Slack, Notion, GitHub, Linear, Sentry, and hundreds more, all available from your terminal with managed OAuth out of the box. This setup works with all coding agents, Claude, Codex, Gemini, Cursor, whatever you're using. And it runs fully local on your machine. For more tools like this, check out conductros.com. The Composio repo is open source on GitHub. Star it, fork it, build with it. Check the links in the description for the CLI install, the docs, and the GitHub repo. If you're building AI agents and you're still manually wiring up OAuth flows, you're doing it wrong. Let Composio handle the auth so your agent can focus on the work.